let's go on a scavenger hunt.
This is a Handful Players production.
Did someone say scavenger hunt? Want to go on a scavenger hunt? Hey, scavenger hunt! Scavenger hunt! Hey, my name's Miss B and I'm gonna take you on a scavenger hunt. I love scavenger hunts. This is my scavenger hunt. And in the next video, I'm gonna teach you how to make your own. On my scavenger hunt, I have yellow flowers because I love yellow flowers. I have one red car, a stop sign, a dog, I love dogs, a glittery rock, can't go wrong with a glittery rock, and a tree that is bigger than me. And I'm gonna take you with me through my neighborhood to try to find these items. Let's go. All right, we're on the move. We are scavengering. We're looking for things in the outside. I am walking. I'm trying to find yellow flowers. Bam. Yellow and red roses. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. Some purple flowers, cute, but not yellow. One of the best parts about going on a scavenger hunt is that you get to, be outside, breathe some nice fresh air. Yellow flowers. Yellow flowers. Check. I'm walking. Oh, guess what I just found? A stop sign! Stop sign. Check. Walking, 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 walking. Oh! Red car. Red car. Check. Look at all these rocks. Are these glittery rocks? Are they? No. A dog. It's so puffy, it looks like a little fluff ball. My little fluff ball dog. Oh, that fluff ball. Dog. Check. Guess what I found? A tree that's bigger than me. Yes, a tree. Check. Thank you so much for going on that scavenger hunt with me. I had so much fun and I'm glad that you got to be there with me too. On my list, I was able to find a yellow flower, a red car, a stop sign, a dog, and a tree that was bigger than me. There was one thing that I just could not find, and that was the glittery rock. But that is okay. If you make a scavenger hunt and you can't find everything on your list, don't worry about it. You still got to go outside, do something fun, and complete your activity. And now, anytime that you're walking around, I'm sure that you'll be looking for that one thing that you weren't able to find on your list. I know I'm going to be looking for glittery rocks everywhere that I go. If you would like to make your own scavenger hunt, please go to the next video where I show you how to make a list of things that you can find in your neighborhood. I'll see you there. Bye.